What's good, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to make some good, smooth, funky, jazzy shit. Alright, we got our piano, and I'm gonna teach you how to do this stuff. Check it out. So, it's all about the smoothiness, it's all about feeling the vibe, man. So, we don't need a studio grand piano, because we're people from an analog velocity variety. I know that's studio grand, but I just said that because it was there. So we're gonna put something that we could really vibe with, alright? So let's put some old meditation up in this. So let's begin. We got this right here. And now it's time to teach you the dopeness. Now, first of all, everyone knows what a perfect fourth is. If you don't, well, you're gonna learn right now. This is a perfect fourth. We're gonna use this to build the basis of our stuff. So check it. Here's how we're gonna do it. You play any perfect fourth in any sequence, okay? Step number one. That's how we do it, okay? Any perfect fourth in any sequence. We got that. Any perfect fourth in any sequence. Now, the dope part is that you get the perfect fourth you did. So, for example, this is a perfect fourth, G and C, and the root, which was G, you get that, and you bring that up a semitone in the bass note. So, G sharp, one down. All right, and we'll do that same here. So D sharp. So on the bass note, it's gonna be E, but one down. Check it out. All right, cool. We got that. Same here. B, one up, half step up, and on the root. Okay, cool. Say, but here, instead of making it here, we're gonna put it up a whole step up. So a whole step from B is half, which is C sharp. Now when you play it back, it sounds like this. Excuse me. Oh boy. Do you see that? Listen to that again. Very, very cool. All right. Well, basically, you might ask, what is it? I mean, it's basically major sevens, but in the voicing without the fifth. I mean, so check it. I put the G sharp here, okay? So normally, if I didn't voice it like this, I pretty much played in this first chord. I played a G sharp major seven. Check it out. You see that? You hear that? Pretty dope. But what I did was, instead, I didn't play the first note on the top one, and this note I brought it down here. You know what I mean? Then I went down. Then I went down over here. Very cool. All right, and yeah, but I did not play the fifth, which would have been this note. And it sounds really cool. And this is why I got into jazz, because it's really sick. You get like simple voicings, arrange them like Lego pieces. Then next thing you know, you're in another world. It's like you're within the ethereal. And this is why jazz is sick, because you like flip the voice.